Hello students, today's video I am going to discuss the concept of degree of substitution. Being a chemistry educator, I have seen students face difficulties to find out the primary, secondary and tertiary carbons within a molecule. They also face to identify primary, secondary and tertiary amine. In this video, I am going to discuss the concept of primary, secondary and tertiary carbons in alcohol, alkyl halide and carbocation moiety, as well as I am going to explain the concept of primary, secondary, tertiary and quaternary amine. Let's find out the degree of substitution of different alkyl halides and alcohols. In the first molecule, this is our concerned carbon. This carbon is connected with chlorine. Now we have to find out the degree of substitution of this carbon. Now this carbon is connected with 3 carbons, means 3 methyl. So degree of substitution of this carbon is 3 degree or tertiary. So we can say it's a tertiary butyl chloride. In the next molecule, this is our concerned carbon because it is connected with chlorine. Now this carbon is connected with 2 methyl, means 2 carbons. So it is 2 degree. So we can say it's a secondary alkyl halide. Next molecule, our concerned carbon is connected with only 1 carbon, 1 methyl. So we can say this carbon is 1 degree. So it is primary alkyl halide. Now in the last molecule, this is our concerned carbon, which is connected with only 3 hydrogens. It's not connected with any number of carbons. So it is not primary, secondary or tertiary alkyl halide. It is just methyl chloride. Similar way, we also can explain degree of substitution of alcohol. So this is our concerned carbon because it is connected with OH, and now this concerned carbon is connected with 3 carbons, means 3 methyl. So it is 3 degree or tertiary alcohol. The next molecule, this is our concerned carbon. It is connected with 2 carbons. So it is 2 degree carbons, or we can say it's a secondary alcohol. Our concerned carbon is connected with only 1 carbon, means 1 methyl. So it is 1 degree, or we can say it's a primary alkyl alcohol. Primary alcohol. Now this is our concerned carbon. It is not connected with any number of carbons. It's only connected with 3 hydrogens. So it is simple methyl alcohol. Similar way, we also can explain primary, secondary and tertiary carbocation. Carbocation means carbon is positively charged. The first carbocation, this carbon is positively charged. So this is our concerned carbon. This concerned carbon is connected with only 3 hydrogens. It's not connected with any carbon. So that means it is not 1 degree, 2 degree or 3 degree carbocation. It is just methyl carbocation. Now in the next compound, this is our concerned carbon because it is a positively charged carbon. This positively charged carbon is connected with only 1 carbon. So it is 1 degree or primary carbocation. This is our concerned carbon. It is connected with 2 carbons. So that means it is 2 degree or secondary carbocation. Now this positively charged carbon is connected with 3 carbons. So it is 3 degree or tertiary carbocation. Here I am going to explain concept of primary, secondary, tertiary amine. So this is ammonia molecule, nitrogen connected with 3 hydrogens and nitrogen has 1 lone pair. When 1 hydrogen is replaced with methyl, so this nitrogen is connected with only 1 carbon. So it is called 1 degree or primary amine. Now 2 hydrogens is replaced with methyl. So that means this nitrogen is connected with 2 carbon. So it is a 2 degree or secondary amine. Now all the 3 hydrogens are replaced with methyl. That means nitrogen is connected with 3 carbon. So it is 3 degree or tertiary amine. Now nitrogen has one lone pair. Nitrogen, when donate this lone pair to another methyl, so nitrogen become positively charged. Now nitrogen is connected with 4 carbons. So it is called 4th degree or quaternary amine.